Alright guys, so I am actually here at a touch-free, it's called Laser Wash, here in Washington, PA. And as you can see, my car is super dirty, like the wheels are like brown. Bunch of water spots right here because it did rain. All over the paint as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll take you guys a real close look. Door handles are all dirty as well. And the most dirty part of the car is obviously the rear, because if you look right here, super dirty there as well, especially right here, as well as right there. So I really need to wash this car, and I just don't have the time because I've been busy at work, busy editing videos and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try one of these out for the very first time. Cost $10 for the express wash. We have an ultimate wash, supreme wash, and a platinum wash. By the way, this is super high up there, so I have to reach. This car being low and me being a short person, yeah, so that's just one thing to note. Got my card inserted.
Please select your wash package.
Might as well just go with the 16 one, see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna do the 16 one.
Do you want a printed receipt?
No, thank you.
The wash is available. Please.
All right, $16. See how this goes. There's a little thing there that indicates where to go, by the way. So we're stopped. My camera is not focusing, unfortunately. It smells like grape. Okay, so that looks like it's done. It just says to drive forward. All right. Oh yeah, I just noticed that, by the way. So I guess that's it. We're just gonna drive out and we'll see the results. Not too bad, to be honest. First impressions. I was more worried about the rear. Now it looks like it's super clean, but it didn't really do a good job at drying it off, to be honest. Because there's a bunch of water still. And yeah, there's a bunch of water everywhere on the car. Luckily for me, I have my drying rags on me. Yep, just gonna have to dry this off myself, I guess. So there was a little bit of drying involved right after I got out of the wash, but it's no biggie. I just drove around for a little bit. One thing that is sticking out, the wheels are still dirty. This thing is absolutely filthy. And you can see, look at that. So it didn't quite do well with the wheels, which is expected because again, it literally just blasted my car with soap and water and probably some liquid wax, I'm assuming. If we go over here, this looks like just a bunch of tar, which again, it would be better if we just hand washed it. That way we could take the tar off at least. But as for the paint itself, there is quite a little bit of watermarks. It's not too obvious. It's only if you actually like go near the car, like right here, there's like a bunch of watermarks. And then right here especially, there's some watermarks right there in the side mirror. It's all over the windows actually. It's nothing too major, which again, we can just wipe this off later on. Let me show you guys over here. That's dirty right there. I guess the sprayers didn't get to this because of all these angular stuff that's on the car. This part of the car was also very dirty. It still is dirty. Like, I literally just ran my finger through there and it's still very dirty. Surprisingly, the roof is actually spotless. No watermarks. It looks perfectly clean. But then again, the roof is like the cleanest part of the car because none of the dirt goes up there while you're driving. So I'm not too surprised that it's perfectly clean up there. The rear looks so much better than before. Most of the dirt that was behind here actually came off, so that's good. That's all that mattered because the rear was the part that was actually bothering me. There's just a little bit of water spots, especially down there. But other than that, I mean, naked eye, like normal distance, the car looks super shiny and glossy. It looks completely fine. But then again, the wheels still look dirty. So the question is, will I ever do this again? I might run it through again during the wintertime, but this time I'm only gonna do the $10 one and not the $16 one because $16 is a little too steep to get your car washed, especially if it's still gonna be dirty when you're done. Because basically it literally just sprayed water and soap and liquid wax all over the car. I mean, the car does look better, but like I said, I'd just probably rate it a 6.5 out of 10. I know that my undercarriage is probably clean because that machine that I ran it through does clean underneath the car. So I'm confident that it's a lot cleaner underneath this car than it ever has before. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making on the channel, be sure to comment down below because I do read all your comments. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time FK7. Peace out. Man, things I do for a video.